Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sierra Leonean stew using an easy method. We will cover the fundamental steps to create a delicious and authentic dish. You'll learn about key ingredients, simple preparation, and the cooking process. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring a flavorful meal without extensive effort. Get ready to enjoy a taste of West Africa. For a truly authentic Sierra Leonean stew, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with your choice of protein, such as chicken, beef, or fish. Fresh tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers form the flavorful base. Palm oil is essential for that distinctive taste and rich color. Don't forget seasonings like ginger, garlic, and chili peppers for a wonderful aroma and a touch of heat. Let's dive into the simple cooking steps. First, brown your protein in a pot, then set it aside. Next, sauté chopped onions, garlic, and ginger in palm oil until they are fragrant. Add your diced tomatoes and bell peppers, allowing them to simmer and break down into a rich sauce. Finally, return the protein to the pot, add a bit of water, and let everything stew gently until tender and flavorful. Your delicious Sierra Leonean stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Traditionally, it's served hot with white rice, but it also pairs wonderfully with fufu or boiled cassava. Feel free to garnish with fresh herbs like coriander for an extra touch of freshness. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for another tasty meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.